Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome here. My name is Eleanor Josefina, and today I have a product review for you guys, and I'm really excited about it. It is from a company called Ocushield, and what they make is like anti-blue light glasses, which basically are for people who work on the computer a lot. They kind of shield your eyes and protect your eyes from the blue UV rays that come off from your computer screen. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know that I do modeling, but in the past I used to be an accountant where I would stare at a computer screen for literally like 8 to 10 hours a day, and I did buy a way more expensive pair of blue light glasses about a couple of years ago when I was an accountant, and they were like $150. These glasses are only $64.99. So today for you guys, I will be unboxing these glasses from Ocushield, and I will be testing them out as I do my taxes for 2019, and I will just let you guys know my overall thoughts on this product. So you guys, the first thing it looks like they sent me was these Ocushield Love Your Eyes Anti-Blue Light Screen Protector for my iPhone. I just asked them to send me the glasses, but this is actually really cool that they sent me a screen protector as well. If you guys watched my Peel a Case phone review and phone screen protector review, I did use one of their screen protectors, but it's just a liquid screen protector, and so I actually have been in the market for an actual like screen protector for my phone. So I'm really excited to put that on my cell phone. The next thing it looks like are the glasses itself. So this is actually kind of cool. This is like the case of the Ocushield glasses. It's kind of like a black metallic-y looking case. It looks really sturdy. I like the texture of it, and it obviously has the logo of Ocushield on the front of it. And then it looks like right inside, it looks like you have the glasses from Ocushield. So first impressions, I'm actually pretty impressed. They look like they are just kind of like a shiny black. They do say on their website that they are unisex. Again, these are $64.99 on their website. And I'll say right now, they do have a little bit of an orangey yellowish tint to them. And that's probably to protect your eyes from the blue UV ray lights that come off of your computer screens. So these are what the glasses look like on. I really do actually think they're really cute. They're black, so obviously they're gonna go with anything, and they're very comfortable to wear on. Just reading you guys from their Ocushield website, the glasses are FDA approved anti-blue light glasses. They improve sleep and protect your eyes. They have an added anti-glare, anti-fog, and full UV protection function. These glasses also do come in 2 different colors. Again, I got the black glasses, but they also do have a tortoise pattern as well. Another thing that's really awesome is they do have worldwide shipping, and they also have a 100-day return policy. And every order that they do receive, they do donate $1 to charity, which is pretty awesome. So if you guys are interested in learning more about Ocushield, I will leave their YouTube channel along with their website down in the description box below. But for right now, you guys, I'm gonna get started doing my own personal taxes for this year, which usually takes me around 4 to 6 hours to do. And so this entire time I will be wearing these glasses, and at the end of it, I will let you guys know my final thoughts on the Ocushield glasses. Okay guys, so it is a couple of hours later. I did not finish my taxes because I kind of got stuck and then I got frustrated, and so I did not finish my taxes, but it is 4 hours later, and I can honestly say that I really do like the Ocushield glasses. These ones are really comfortable to wear. These are my other pair of blue light glasses, and these were a lot more expensive. They were like double the price, but I will honestly say that these ones are a lot more comfortable. They just stay on my face a lot better. And I also really like the black color, again, just because it goes with everything. After 4 hours, I can honestly say that it really does help. Blue light glasses I will recommend to everyone and anyone, just because they do really help protect your eyes from just staring at a screen for just such a long time. The only thing I will say is that they have kind of an orangish tint to them. I don't know if you can see that on the screen, but they do have a slight orangish yellow tint on the glasses, and I'm sure that's just because it's protecting the blue rays coming in from your computer screen. So overall, I really do like them. Ocushield also does have other products like screen protectors, and they actually did send me a screen protector for my iPhone, but they also have screen protectors for like your iPads, your MacBooks. And they also have lights for like desks that can help you prevent from your eyes straining when you're doing your work. I'm really happy and excited to use their screen protector, and I'm excited to keep wearing these glasses. Again, they were a lot cheaper than my other blue light glasses. Thank you so much, Ocushield, for just sending the screen protector and the glasses to me. Again, I will leave their website link and their YouTube link down in the description box below. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave me a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button and also that little bell button, because that will notify you every single time I do upload a new video. Anyway, guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.